Hi, I'm Joe Jonovich, entomologist with ePestHero.com. Today I want to show you one of our top selling products, the ePestHero German Cockroach Control Kit. What makes the ePestHero German Cockroach Kit so effective is it follows the latest university research. The university research shows that no one bait works 100% of the time. The best is to use a rotation of 3 different baits. So we include Max Force Magnum, Vendetta Plus, and Invict Gold in our kits. What happens is some roaches just won't like the flavor of a certain bait. So if they don't eat Max Force Magnum, they might eat Invict Gold or Vendetta Plus. I've never had 3 baits not work in rotation. The ePestHero German Cockroach Kit also contains everything else you need to complete the job. We've got plungers, we've got the applicator tips, disposable gloves to keep your hands clean, plus we include 288 monitors. These little non-toxic sticky traps are great. You put behind your coffee maker, your microwave, behind the fridge, and they're slightly sticky, so they'll catch German cockroaches during the night. So they'll make sure you got all the roaches and that you keep them gone long term. Plus, to make it easier for you, we include step-by-step instructions that go through exactly what you need to do start to finish to ensure your success. For more information on this kit and all our ePestHero kits, be sure to visit ePestHero.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product reviews and informational videos for all your pest control needs.